everyone, welcome to the premiere of one of my videos. While it is playing and while the people are working on the roof, banging away, I will be reviewing the comment section here and telling you what I think, what I see. So let's have a review here. People are writing all kinds of things. Somebody tells me that they're vegetarian. I don't actually care. I don't need to know that you're vegetarian. Somebody says keep comments respectful. Thank you very much. Has says be vegan. That's awesome. I'm never becoming vegan, says somebody else. I don't really care for you to tell me that. Most people who say that do end up being vegan, but you know, the fact that you're telling me doesn't really help the conversation. My religion supports equal rights for all species. Good. I don't know what your religion is, but if your religion is helping you to be good, that's great. All right, so the video has started here, and let's just see what else is there to going on here.
Every time that she says something good,
all right.
check mark, and every time.
Okay, so Miss Katie's just starting, so let's have a look here.
Let's see how this goes.
You look like a skinny scarecrow. Okay, why are you telling me that? That's so strange. What does my body have anything to do with anything? Nothing at all. You ate cheeseburgers. I don't care. I'm not sure why you're telling me. What is the point in telling us that? Love is love. Yes, I agree. Love is love. Good. You aren't letting us have free speech. The moderators are, well, yes, you are allowed to have free speech. You can say whatever you want. Oh, thank you so much. Fight for Trump. I don't know. Have a good day. I don't know. Have a good day. Okay, whoever's giving this donation, thank you so much for that. Somebody who is saying to me that there is no free speech. Yes, there is. You can say whatever you want on your own channel. This is a classroom. See, I'm over here teaching. It means I'm explaining things. And so you don't get to talk the whole time that the teacher's talking. Just like in your own classroom. You're allowed to have free speech at recess, before school, at lunch, but when the teacher's talking, you're supposed to listen. Let's see what else we have here. Somebody else is just, people are just randomly saying whatever. Every vegan deserves another vegan as a loved one. Yes, very good. I agree. People are just saying random stuff. Not sure why they bother to come and say shut up. If they want us to be quiet, they can just simply go to a different video. You don't have to stay here. If you got a problem with Trump, then shut up. Okay, Trump is not even in office right now. I'm not sure why we are talking about him. He has nothing to do with veganism. He is not vegan. Honey is bee vomit. Absolutely, that is a fact. That's true. Somebody says don't go vegan. No, why would you say that? It's like saying don't be kind to animals. Who would say that? Absolutely terrible thing to say. Of course you should be kind to animals. Somebody else here keeps spanning love is love, and I'm not sure what the point is in repeating that over and over again, but it seems to be important to the person. And somebody's saying that vegan teacher be vegan. Yeah, I already am. And people are just going on about love is love, and that's a sort of a saying that goes with the LGBTQ community, and they want us to support them. We support anyone who is kind to animals over here at that vegan teacher school. Animals are smarter than you think. Yeah, they are pretty smart. Depends, of course, on which animal. Somebody says, we have opinions. Yes, you do, and you're welcome to voice your opinions as long as they are talking about the animals. If you're not talking about the animals here, you are welcome to go to another channel and talk about the topic. If you want to talk about hurting animals, well, that's not this channel. See, this channel right here is about talking about saving animals, being kind to animals. We are not here to talk about hurting them. That's just not what we're about at this school. Somebody says, this is messed up. Now, who would write that? What is messed up about a teacher teaching people to be kind to animals? Somebody says, let's go eat some tacos. Well, yeah, there are such thing as vegan tacos. You can get them with vegan cheese, and you can get them with meat inside that is vegan meat. Go for it. Have some vegan tacos. That would be awesome. Not sure why people are saying dump him. Okay, well, I guess you're referring to this video. Of course, yeah. This, I guess they're talking about this person here. So in this video, we are discussing whether she should be dumping her boyfriend because he's not vegan. So are people talking about this? What is your face doing? Okay, I'm not sure what they're referring to. Some people are, comments are being often held for review if they are mean or cruel. Some of the moderators are here muting the comments if they are not relating to the subject here. Remember, the subject is animals. The subject is veganism. The subject is, let's see how we can make this world a better place and not hurt sentient beings for no reason. Why is her loving someone matter to you, says Sophia. Okay, I don't understand what's going on. Somehow people are talking about other things. Real men don't eat animals. Meat lowers testosterone because of saturated fat. Thank you, Twisted. Absolutely. Yeah, we should not be hurting animals at all. I don't know what comment here has been blocked. Let's go eat burgers. Yeah, let's go eat some vegan burgers. Absolutely. Now, of course, the moderator blocked that because the person is trying to say, let's go eat dead animals, and we don't want to talk about that here on That Vegan Teacher's channel. We are here to talk about being kind to animals. We are not talking about hurting them. All right, what else we got? Things are going very fast. Burgers sound good. Yep. If you haven't tried Beyond Burger yet, go ahead and try that, or get a bean burger if you can. You can definitely get any kind of other burger besides eating dead flesh. You do not need to eat dead flesh. And somebody's saying, showing a video related, here's the activist, related to the Holocaust. The animal Holocaust never ended. The Holocaust never ended for the animals. The egg industry grinds baby chicks alive, and the dairy industry enslaves the baby cows. Absolutely. Truth. Thank you so much to the moderators who are doing such a great job. Vegetarian is not enough. Absolutely right, Twisted. Thank you for mentioning that. Being vegetarian means you still pay for the rape, torture, and murder of animals. Don't hurt them. Don't hurt animals. They never did a single thing wrong to you. Don't eat murdered animal corpses. Thank you, Haz, again. Vegan world vegetarians are on the right path. So they're so close to veganism. Well, I have to disagree with you there. There are people who stay vegetarian for many, many years, and they are still paying for a lot of murder and suffering. I think the vegetarians know better, and that's the problem. In fact, they can be worse than meat eaters. But if they already are in tune with the suffering and they are able to learn about the dairy industry, then absolutely it makes total sense that they should take the next step and be vegan. What else do we have? Vegetarian is not close to vegan. Okay, thank you, Haz. Haz just saying what I just said. Let's see. No parent should encourage their child to be animal abusers. Absolutely. Thank you so much for that comment. Some of these moderators are excellent. They are really helping out to educate. Be an animal defender. Thank you, Haz. Very good. Somebody's saying here, let the mods do their job. Yeah, thank you. Let the moderators do their job. Let them teach. All right, so Miss Katie here in the video is still trying to teach. She's explaining how important it is to be kind to the animals and to not date somebody for too long if they are hurting them. The animal's life starts lives start respecting them. Not sure what that means. Oh, it's the animal's life. Oh yes, start respecting animals. Absolutely. All right, very good. What else we have? There's no excuse for animal abuse. Very good. I thought I was going to be vegan, says somebody. All right, well, you're very close. You thought you were going to be vegan, then be vegan. Don't stop now. All right, LGBTQ and Black Lives Matter, yes, they do. And all of these minority groups should be vegan. If you don't like exploitation being done to you, then don't exploit others. For those of you just joining me, I am reading the comments as they go by and giving you my evaluation. Somebody says I live in Montreal. Okay, I'm not sure that everybody else watching really cares, but I guess that was important to you to write. You know, that would be like me in the middle of teaching class, you were just raising your hand and just saying, hey, I live at, and telling me your address, which has nothing to do with what we're talking about. So please stay on subject. We are talking about the animals. We're not talking about LGBTQ. We're not talking about Black lives. We're talking about the animals. And all of these minority groups should be vegan. There's no excuse for animal abuse. All right, we got Vegan Wampa just showed up. Says, hi, I'm here. These are people, who are you to decide who is this and that? You're insulting people. Yep, we are insulting people who hurt animals, just like you would if you saw somebody kick a cat or a dog. I'm sure that you too would be insulting those people. So that's all we're doing. We are trying to raise awareness. We are trying to teach people not to hurt the innocent. Who are you to hell? Yeah, okay, this person's just spamming and repeating the same comment. What is your shirt made out of? It is made out of cotton and polyester. So this person is trying to insinuate that the shirt might be made out of wool or silk. Well, it's not. A lot of kids who are young don't really understand what things are made out of, and they try to discredit the messenger. I am the messenger. I am simply telling you the truth, the facts. And trying to attack me personally doesn't help the animals. And here we go again, Black Lives Matter, LGBTQ matter. All kinds of things matter in this world. The environment matters, all kinds of people matter. Indigenous rights matter, women's rights matter, men's rights matter, children's rights matter. I don't know why you come to my comment section and write this over and over again. It has nothing to do with the subject. It's very strange. It's like they just try to avoid thinking about the murder that they're part of, and they try to talk about another group, another demographic. All right, you get the idea here. This is what I think of my comment section. This is what goes on here. Thank you very much to the moderators who are always so awesome in educating others. Thank you to people who are trying to listen actually to the message, who are really paying attention to the video instead of just trying to disrupt in the comment section. You're just showing me when you disrupt in the comment section that you're closed-minded, that you're not open to learning. But at least you're here, and I appreciate that you're at least here for a little while. Hopefully you'll be getting some clicks. It takes 100 clicks until you become vegan, and hopefully you will be vegan at some point soon. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet done so, please click the notification bell. You will see it at the bottom of the screen. And coming up, you will see a bunch of videos on screen. Click on those if you haven't yet done so. Click on them and be curious about Miss Kadie's channel. Be curious about what's going on here. Try and look at the other videos with an open mind and an open heart, and I will see you in the next video.